wondered, why do people go to mountains for escape? I guess growing up I got my answer. Mountains are peaceful. Mountains are a place where I can just escape the noise and distraction of daily life. Sitting on a mountain top, gazing at the breathtaking view, the mountains have a way of soothing your soul and bringing a sense of peace that is hard to find anywhere else. Whenever I am surrounded around mountains, I forget about problems. I feel the calmness taking over. Being tired and exhausted, it's about being uncomfortable to get somewhere comfortable and peaceful.